wow, look at this house. If you were to go and live in that house, in a short time you might think, I wish I can go back to my little hut. It was a more peaceful life there.
ত্রিভুবনের প্রিয় মোহাম্মদ এলো রে দুনিয়ায় রে সাগর আকাশ বাতাস দেখবি যদিয়া।
And we need blessings. I'm looking for solutions to the difficulties I have. Don't look at me and think, this guy's got it all. You know, I read a comment there saying, Mufti Menk's living the life, man. You know, from airport to airport. If only you knew the struggles we go through, you wouldn't even want to be in my shoes. By the way, size of my shoes is very awkward. You're not going to fit in. May Allah bless you guys. And all of us, amen. So it's very difficult. If you think, I don't have problems, then you're lost. We all have issues. You know, they say, don't be jealous of what Allah's given someone because you don't know what Allah took away from them. Remember that. Allah's taken away from everyone something and He's given everyone something. If Allah took away from you, He gave you something else. But you know what? Your mind and your heart is too weak to look at what He gave you and to appreciate the fact that what He took away from you, something you can manage. You can manage. Some of us here, if we look at the houses of others who are here and we say, wow, look at this house. If you were to go and live in that house, in a short time you might think, I wish I can go back to my little hut. It was a more peaceful life there. Maybe. I'm just giving you an example. Because you don't know what Allah gave you. He might give you a house where your toaster only toasts 2 at a time. No problem. That's how we have. The other guy's got 8 at a time, but he only puts 1 piece of bread. Yes. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us. We don't know. Put things into perspective. Understand them. This is the mercy of Allah and His blessings. Allah has blessed you in ways that you don't even know. You have to sit and think. That is why Allah says this tadabbur, tafakkur, to be able to sit and think and ponder over the gifts of Allah is an ibadah on its own. It is an ibadah on its own. What did Allah give you? Sit and think. Allah gave me this, He gave me that. If Allah gave you one thing, He didn't give you another. He gave... That's life. That's what life is all about.